Yeah, so first of all, of course, we are not independent. The world is not independent from what is happening at the moment, and supply chains are still constrained. But, companies like us have to work on that on a daily basis, very agile responses. Technology definitely helps there. But overall, of course, the markets, the supply chain markets are still distorted somehow by high energy prices, by shortage due to the lockdowns in China. But, we have managed that for 2 years now through the COVID, and we always found solutions for our customers.
Yeah, I mean, my sense is the planes are getting off the ground, the trucks are getting to the airports, to their destinations. It's just costing more to make those deliveries happen at this stage. Is that inflation going to stay with us in the supply chain story for some time to come?
Yeah, definitely this year we will see definitely, because there is still shortage in capacity. At the moment, probably it's sometimes more the production of products than the transportation due to the lockdowns in China. But this year definitely we'll see higher prices. They might start normalizing in 2023 and beyond. But fundamentally, yes, we have still a situation where prices in supply chains will stay higher.
Frank, you're a veteran of many, many WEFs, like Jeff and myself as well. And I already got the feeling that the forum, the Davos, is trying to keep sustainability, it's trying to keep ESG, it's trying to keep green initiatives at the top of the agenda. But actually it's failing this year because the recession and concerns about a recession in parts of the world is front and foremost. I hope I'm wrong, but I don't think I am necessarily.
So if I look for our own company, our ESG strategy is very high on my agenda, on the company's agenda. Even this high energy cost might be a historical chance for the world if we don't screw it up again by giving all this money back to everybody. Of course, the people in need money, but not everybody needs lower gas prices at the gas station somehow. I believe the high energy prices will fuel and accelerate the renewable energy turn. And that's good news, or not bad news. So I'm pretty optimistic that maybe in 10 years we say the war has led to tremendous high energy prices, and it accelerated the need to do something about global warming.
So those producers, and we were talking to Fatih Birol about this, but I'll carry on the conversation. The NOCs around the world who know exactly what they're doing in terms of production, who could put more oil onto the market, are they shooting themselves in the foot by keeping oil at $113 a barrel, when actually, if they really wanted to get it down to double digits rather than triple digits, they could probably make a good effort at doing so?
Yeah, I think we should live, and market should solve that, as it does. If you look into the crisis, the markets are still intact. Yeah, the prices are high. And then we have to look and categorize who really need help. Poor people need help with the high energy prices. But many people don't need, and that have to bite the bullet. We have to accept, if we want to have a conversion to renewable energies, we have to accept that fossil fuel gets more expensive. That is what we intended. So now it's happening. Now let's put the money. We just recently signed the biggest sustainable aviation fuel in the aviation industry ever. We paid a higher price when we expected. The differential to the current fuel price gets lower. And that's good for us because we were early, we are doing the right stuff. And I think if we keep going like that, if we not now start subsidizing fuel to a level which is affordable for everyone, I think it's affordable for most. Yes, we have to help the poor people. They need direct, subsidies from the governments, but not many others. So if that happens, we will see more windmills, we will see more solar panels, we will see power to liquid solutions and all this kind of stuff. And that's right, and that's great news and not bad news.